At the 2023 Chengdu Auto Show on August 25, Volvo's luxury pure electric high-performance brand Polestar introduced the Polestar 4. The new car is the second SUV of the Polestar system. Acceleration from 0 to 100 can reach 3.8 seconds and the CLTC cruising range can exceed 700 kilometers. In terms of looks, the Polestar 4 has pretty much restored the Precept concept car. Its front face does not adopt the rectangular grille commonly used in the previous Polestar car series, making it more concise. The side extension decoration has also been cancelled, and the design of the entire faceplate is closer to the Polestar 6. In addition, as an all-electric, high-performance coupe SUV, the multiple use of the body appears to be in keeping with the aerodynamic design. The Polestar 4 is positioned as an SUV, but its actual shape is more like a fastback car. The lines behind the C-pillar naturally transition, in keeping with the minimalist design style of the Polestar brand. In terms of the rear, the Polestar 4 looks very clean. There is not much style design and individual decoration, only a few shaped crossover-type taillights are placed. This simple design makes people feel very comfortable. The taillights are black. It is primed and the red light strip is more noticeable after it is on. The interior of the Polestar 4 is minimalist, the same as most new energy vehicles today. The central control basically has no other physical buttons other than one. According to the official trailer, this indoor set uses many new eco-friendly materials, including the customized tailored from 100% recycled PET. The Polestar 4 is equipped with a 9-inch full LCD instrument with a simple interface design and the same functions as mainstream instruments. The central control screen is a 15.4-inch touchscreen with a built-in Qualcomm Snapdragon 8155 chip. The system is based on the deep development of the Meizu vehicle system, and the user interface was independently designed by Polestar. Functionally, supporting Baidu Smart Voice, Gauda Map navigation and Flyme Auto Core application ecology, the native version also has a built-in Polestar virtual assistant, and users can get a more personalized car experience according to predetermined scenarios. It is worth noting that the Polestar 4 is equipped with an ultra-long panoramic canopy as standard, providing an optional EC light sensor function that can be switched between transparent and opaque according to different needs. In terms of power, the Polestar 4 is available in a single-engine version and a twin-engine version. The single-engine version has a maximum power of 200 kilowatts and a maximum torque of 343 Nm. The total power of the twin-engine version is 400 kilowatts, the torque is 686 Nm. With a 102 kilowatt-hour battery pack, the dual-engine version has a battery life of up to 709 kilometers.